Hi there, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told I could send this video to this email here. Thank you for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. I'm here to audit your site while comparing your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more clients all on your own. Also, this video will help you understand as to why your competitors are being found instead of you. I'm going to mainly be going over three things you can do today to help bring in more work. The three categories are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. It's a great website, nothing negative to say. When I go through your website, I see you have great photos, a beautiful layout, of course. However, not enough content. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your homepage alone, which I believe this is your homepage here. Let's just double check. And yes, it is. Not only would this improve relevance to the services that you offer, but also improves a level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert. In your 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords are pretty much just words or phrases that searchers enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your services, landscape. Or should I say landscaping. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, bump up to 1,500 words. If your competitor has 1,500 words, then you want 2,000 words. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the results. For backlinks and citations, let's jump into Ahrefs here real quick. This is a paid tool. This is what we use. It's a great tool to have. Here we'll view the back end of your website. So there's really not a lot of power running through your website, unfortunately. Let's start off with the backlink section here, which is the second thing I'd like to talk to you about. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. Backlinks are your UR level here. As you can see, you only have one, so you're not getting any power, so no data presents here. The third and final thing would be citations. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar with one of those. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them. That's pretty much what a citation is. And if you had any, I see you have one, you would have power here under the DR meter. 0.1 currently. Organic keywords, you have 4. This is very important. I'll elaborate a little bit more in just a minute. Organic traffic, 0. So on a monthly basis, you're not getting any traffic organically to your website. Let's compare to one of your competitors here. Looks like these guys are getting all the attention. As you can see, they don't have the minimum 1,500 words, but they do have power going behind the website. This is what they have going. So for backlinks, they have over 600 backlinks. Referring domains, 60. Organic keywords, 320. Organic traffic, 110. So in a monthly basis, they're getting 110 people, approximately 110 people jumping onto their website organically when they search for your type of services, of course. The last and most important are the keywords. These are the keywords that I was referring to before. So jumping onto your website here, I see you have 4 keywords. They have over 300. This keyword here, let's jump over to this page here, has approximately a search volume of 150. This one here, 80. So that's, let's say, over 200 people are jumping onto the website because of these 2 keywords. In other words, 200 people are searching every month for your services. Imagine those 200 plus people are finding you instead. That's pretty much the whole point of SEO, is to give power to your website. If you are to follow these tips, I'm sure you can increase your rankings and bring in more calls. Who doesn't want that, right? Well, this is what I have for you. Just a quick video. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. Or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. Feel free to email me with any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care.